Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoom with Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you want to start having your appointments or schedules taking place on Zoom. So usually the two big ones where people have their meetings on is Zoom or Google Meets. But in order to do this, what we're first going to do is hop onto our Calendly account, which looks like this here. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on this integrations button here. It's these four squares, but if you don't see that, you can just toggle this on and off. So click on integration and apps. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Zoom and then click on Zoom. So it's going to ask you just two prompts. You want to either set up Zoom for your organization or you want to set up Zoom for yourself. So either way, you are going to have certain requirements. So just make sure that you have the requirements listed here for if you want to connect Zoom for yourself or if you want to connect Zoom for your organization. So in my case, I would just connect Zoom for myself. So here it's going to ask you to actually log in to your Zoom account, and then you simply just follow the prompts as far as connecting your Zoom account goes. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Zoom with Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.